Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com, it's Dyno Day. The vehicle we're dynoing today is Jared Farrell's 1994 White Lightning. It's got about 93 or 96,000 miles on the chassis, and it's a really good example of a 94 Lightning. Jared has gone through the engine. He did pretty much a stock rebuild with the exception of a flat top piston, so with the stock cylinder head, that's gonna raise compression to somewhere around 9-to-1 is kind of what we're thinking and what we're roughly calculating. It does have a very mild camshaft. It's rocking factory exhaust manifolds, an off-road mid-pipe, and Flowmaster mufflers. It does have an E4OD transmission, so the pull is gonna be made in second gear, which technically isn't 1-to-1. 1-to-1 would be third gear, but because of the downshift and try to avoid all that silly stuff, we're just gonna do a second gear pull. That way we get a nice clean pull throughout the RPM range. Aluminum drive shaft, factory 410 gear, and that's also the factory 17-inch wheel with a 275/60/17 tire. A 93 octane fuel in the tank, and I believe Jared told me he's got timing set around 12 degrees. So you know the drill, we'll make a quick trip around the truck, make sure straps are tight, lug nuts are torqued, all that good stuff, and then it's go time. All right, people, let's go ahead and take a look at some results on Jared's 94 White Lightning. We went ahead and did 3 pulls just because it was picking up a little power after that first pull, so we wanted to see where it went. Run number 1, 207.7 horsepower at 4,000 RPM, 275.6 pound-feet of torque at 3,600 RPM. We went ahead and did a second pull. The results for the second pull were 211.8 horsepower at 4,000 RPM, 279.4 pound-feet of torque at 3,400 RPM. So picking up a little bit of power, and then we went ahead and ran it for a third time. And after the third pull, it made 211.6 horsepower at 4,100 RPM, and we did see a bump in torque at 280 on the nose at 3,500 RPM. Very, very consistent. Like I said, stock rebuild with the exception of that flat top piston giving us a small bump in compression, and the camshaft that's in this thing is very, very mild. It's July, mid-July in Texas, and it is hot. So I think it's 95, 96 degrees here in the shop. So obviously not optimal dyno weather, but still, you know, if you're out and about driving the truck in these conditions, this is what you're gonna expect in terms of, you know, horsepower and torque. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Really good to see another Lightning on the dyno, or a Gen 1 Lightning on the dyno. This is the second one that we did. We're gonna turn y'all loose. As always, hope you found value in the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And then until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do. For all things first generation Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.